In our previous tutorial, we explored the different parts of the human eye and their functions. In this tutorial, we will understand how all these different parts of our eyes work together to help us see. If you like what you see on our channel, please like, share, subscribe and turn on notifications. Light rays from an object enter the eyes through the transparent conjunctiva and then falls on the cornea. The cornea is shaped like a dome and refracts or bends light so that it converges the light rays. The light then travels through the transparent fluid called the aqueous humor. Now further, the light passes through the pupil, the opening in the center of the iris. The iris controls how much light the pupil lets in. After passing through the pupil, the light rays pass through the lens, which refracts the light and converges them further. The light then passes through the vitreous humor and falls on the retina where the image is formed. This image formed on the retina is real and inverted or upside down. It is inverted because of the biconvex shape of the lens and the way the light rays are reflected from top and bottom of an object, enter the eye and cross over behind the lens. The lens works together with the cornea to focus light correctly on the retina to form an image. The light energy of the image produces chemical changes in the light sensitive cells, the rods and the cones in the retina. These changes in the rods and cones generate electrical impulses which travel through the optic nerve and reach the visual area of the cerebrum in the brain where they give the sensation of sight. Our brain interprets these impulses to form an image and we are able to see the object upright even if the image formed in the eye is inverted. Stay tuned as we understand how does the human eye focus on near and far objects in our next tutorial.